So far, my set of new granite pot is arriving today, so I want to clear the spots where I'm going to be keeping them, because my other set of pots, I normally stack them together, and that's why those non-sticky pots, none of them actually lasted for me. These are my two sets of non-sticky pots. This one, I got this one in 2019 or so, and it's bad, it's already bad, so I'm going to be disposing all these pots. This one, I got it 2 years ago, and look, it's already bad, so I'm going to be disposing these two set of non-sticky pot. They come in three sets, so I'm going to dispose them today. And I've watched TikTok videos on how to care for my new set of granite pots, and that is where I got to know that I need to stop stacking my pots together like this, and I need to keep them separately and just cover them. That is, after washing them, I use paper towel to dry them, or handkerchief. After drying them, then I just set them aside separately, not putting it on each other. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be creating space where I'm going to keep my new granite pot, so it can last for me, because it's expensive, you guys. It's actually expensive, so I wouldn't want that to spoil anytime soon. So I'm going to be putting these ones aside because I need space to arrange my granite pot, and I'm going to dispose these pots because, as you can see, it's of no use to me. I can't make use of them. Let's do this. My mind was telling me that they will take the light, but I'm not bothered because I have fuel in my generator. My battery is not full. I'm thinking of making space here for the pot, like this set of space. I'm going to transfer some of this. This was a birthday gift for my husband. They gave him in the office, but as if he's no longer working in here. I just saw a wall gecko there. Final space I've kept for the pots. So this is the first one, the second one, and the third one. So far, my pot is here, so I just want to show you guys what it looks like. I did not unbox it because when I came back, I had to take my time, unbox it, and couple the cover of the pot. And I've used it to prepare food this night. I used the smallest one to prepare food this night, so I'm going to be showing you guys the pots and what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. So this is from Geo Original. As you can see, this is the cover, and this is the smallest. This is the smallest size of the pot. I'm really happy about it. It's a good buy. I've thrown away my old pots. That pot I showed you guys at the beginning of this video, I've thrown it away, and everything is okay. There were some instructions that I saw in the pot. It says that before I start using the granite pot, I have to coat it with like oil, granite oil, any oil I have at home, and put it on a low heat in my gas for 2 to 3 minutes, and just put it on a low heat. That's for the first time before you use it to cook anything. Coat it with oil, not just rub it on the body, inside, everywhere, then put it on your gas 2 to 3 minutes. It gives it like a longer lifespan, and no more using of iron spoons. Already I know because I've used non-sticky before, but our coconut head in the house don't used to allow them to keep to the rules. Like, because of this new pot I got, I had to throw away every stainless steel spoon in my house. I threw it away today, and I went to bring out the non-sticky pot spoon I bought in Next Cash and Carry. I brought it out, I washed it, and I arranged it where my cooking spoon used to stay. I removed every metal and I gave it out. I don't want any mistakenly I forgot and now use metal spoon to turn the pot. I don't want that, so I took away everything. The only stainless steel we have in our house is just eating spoon, cooking spoon, everything. I've changed it today because I don't want your gist. So no metal goes close to it. And after washing the pot, I don't just drop it on the counter with water. I use kitchen towel to clean it, dry it very well before I keep it, because that is part of what will make it last. I told you guys the pot is expensive, and I don't want something that next year I'll start buying another set of pot. I won't use and saute, even though I'm still looking to get 1 or 2 iron cast pots just to build up my pot collection. Because as a woman maturing in marriage, you need to have pots, original pots that can last you years, not the one that after 2 years you're rebuying it again. So stay tuned. So guys, happy new month, happy 1st of May, happy Workers' Day. So I want to prepare beans this morning. I finished picking the beans, so I'm going to be using my new pot. This oil to rub on the body. So let's do this. Just a little oil. Just spread some much. Follow that other side. See choosing people, no. Esther, see online, that online brother. They will just pass them now for that junction. Then they too there. Our church, the Lost Children, having a crusade in Aba today. We came yesterday. We attended it for the first day. So this is the 2nd day, and we're off to church. I was not able to record anything yesterday because my phone turned off quick. So I was able to meet some of my friends from 15 years ago. I met them in church yesterday, so it was actually a very good experience, and I enjoyed it. I got this powder on Friday before we came to crusade. I've been longing to get it because sometimes my face is very, very oily. Not sometimes, most times my face is oily, so this is going to help. This is going to help tame the oil. And the powder is quite expensive. Already, my face is starting to become oily. So I'm going to use this to tone it down. I applied my sunscreen this morning, so we are good to go. Let me remove my scarf so that I can wear my glasses. As in, I'm not feeling comfortable because it's as though sometimes when I come to some hotels, since I started going to hotels to sleep or sleep over or to just sleep when I go for an occasion, this is the 2nd time I've been uncomfortable in a hotel. So I'm not really comfortable with the hotel I stayed because I don't like the room. I guess maybe we came late, the whole place is occupied, but I really don't like the room I stayed. So it was just, let's say, a small thing come out from horrible, but just had to manage it because it's just a 1-day thing. Like after crusade today, now we're going back to Port Harcourt because Aba is obviously Aba is closer to Port Harcourt, so it's easy for us to go back home after service today. So I just had to manage that environment. But I did not sleep well in the night. I was just tossing and turning on the bed. I'm just praying that money should come fast so that I'll go to my house after service. One of the best, since I started going to hotels to sleep, the hotel I went that I enjoyed so much is the one I went to in Enugu. If you watch my Enugu vlog, that hotel, and the one I went to during my sister's wedding in Lagos, that one tried to, but every other one are just management. So guys, I'm done. Final look. So off to church I go.